Hey, what's up? How is everybody doing? Hope you're good. There, I go on easy. Just take a fresh. Me feel so fresh. I'm making see me a little bit. See it there. I don't know if you see me, but hold on. You probably see me now. Yeah, man, we're just there. You know? Right. Dinner almost ready. I don't know. My favorite time of the day, that dinner time. Almost ready. Time to go start fast with the wifey. Hold on.
Yeah, but we're still hitting sinners. I take review with this.
What's going on here?
A whole lot of cooking.
Okay. Okay. We can't fast on this.
Of course I can't open it.
Okay.
Oh. It's my raw veggie pressed down because I know it closed.
Vegetable.
Yeah. Potato salad.
Okay.
Cucumber. And some lettuce. And over here, so, me have prepped the stuff them to put in the goat. Guys, sorry, I'm gonna get to pick it up from morning. I've been really busy in the kitchen. Not too long while I fresh and I finish up. The last of the stuff them come over here to come show them. Guys, my pot full of rice, but ignore it. Ooh, girl can't cook rice and gungo. Yeah, so that this we turn off because it's finished. And this is my goat over here, so I bubble up. And my chicken, when I start frying my chicken, because I don't know chicken fry last. Guys, Merry Christmas! Day 25. Tell me son not proud of me. Babe, remember you promised me something if me complete Vlogmas. And right now...
No hard blow says English.
And right now, me I upload the video y'all been waiting for. Better you get this when I already see the video there. But it's the house tour. Me just want to finish up right now and open some gifts. Then JC can go collect Lovell them and Mommy them. So Mommy I come fry the chicken because me not really can do fried chicken so good. Can't wait for open Pixie gift them. All me I cook at that nothing go.
Oh wow.
I see my clothes back there. Guys, you know it's a presentation I put up and kitchen I put clean when you cook. Listen. So you ready to put some gifts? Come we can pause this, you know.
Very long time.
Alright then. Alright. The goat are going to cook down. I don't pressure it because I learned the hard way. Just know some I learned the hard way. Alright? So, who first I go?
You go first, ladies.
Alright, let me go over the side
Hold
here.
on. First gift to Miss Barbara. Here you go.
Thank you.
Let's see what's going
What's
on.
up here? You get the cracks.
Show them which one I get. Get it right. Olive green and
Olive
white
green, but
stuff.
this can work.
I don't know how she love Crocs. We got the official Crocs store if you get them.
Yo, let me see if it can fit me. Right fit. So pretty. Next one. Then you pray you get the crooks in her. And they come with 2 gibbets. Which gift my wife to open first?
So you get your Crocs then.
Alright. Open the one under the bottom.
And remember, the gift we see the person with are them write it down so them want it.
Yeah.
Understood?
So to understand that, probably have to go back and watch the Pixie video.
Peace of mind.
Yes. Let me explain what I give here now. So one of the things we did have by your Pixie when I choose, I can't get it. So I substitute and buy something what me know say you want. You don't write it on your list none at all, but me know say you want it.
Alright.
Yeah, so that gift here, this did for be the clocks. I can't find the clocks there no way at all.
Yeah.
And you should have write that on your Pixie.
No, I'm right when me say I want.
Alright, when you see this you're going to see.
No, right, yes, right where you want. Oh, we need this. Yo.
What me telling you say? I know what I need it.
The vacuum.
Yes. So I got him a car vacuum because he really need it.
Yo, you're not telling me funny story. Oh.
When Jason just got in the car, I did I buy one vacuum and he said, no babe, don't buy it. I don't need that right now.
No, what did he say? Why did he say that?
Because it is expensive.
It is expensive. I said, Dave, you know, I don't have to spend no more money on that. For nothing else right now. But the worst decision I ever make.
Like
you know, my friend them say me I eat that when your woman buy things if you just take it. But that's true if your woman buy you something. Not these times, right? Maybe they take it.
See, end up come get it.
Sure.
But at the time, you said...
Yeah, me I say me don't want to spend too much money on it, yeah? At the time.
Yeah, it was so expensive.
Yeah, man, but we need it, I know. You! You want to use this tonight.
Okay, I'm gonna use it tonight though.
No vacuum.
Vacuum tonight? It's nice. Show them, baby, show them.
Oh,
Nice, nice, the extension them there. Another one for the car, you plug it in the car.
Now see it? Yo, that's crazy. Alright, that's my first gift. Alright, so here we know. We have a vacuum. Alright.
If we go up next.
Alright. I know you is a cologne fanatic. You understand?
Which one? I took one minute, I wonder which one him get.
Well, wait, what? I'm kidding. She in a Jimmy, she in a Jimmy too. Oh, let me play store though. Yabba dabba doo.
Jimmy Choo forever. Yeah, you have to come show now. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, I think that's it.
Thank you so much, babe. It's so pretty. It have like glitters and stuff. But it have this or the Intense, the YSL.
Check Mr. Chin downtown for the road. You see?
Oh my.
Okay.
When I see it good.
Yeah, I wonder if you know say half of the gift to that. Two things for the bag.
Oh, you spray it from up here. Outside. Look on the bag where it coming from. With not even know how to talk. Wait there. Now see? The lighting is much better, but this is the bag that came with it. So cute. So time to smell it now.
Moment of truth.
Ooh. Oh, them say enough for rub it in to make it dry. Oh, this smells so good.
Smell it.
I'll put a little. Nice, huh? Smell yummy. Whoa.
Nice, yeah.
Alright, I can move on because I'm not going to look on this now. Alright, next gift. Open this one.
But that gift us so light. Dude.
It's not about the size, about the meaning, right? You know?
True. Fully put. But hold on. They want to come like you match it that. Mine, you know, babe.
They match your shorts.
Like you match my shorts.
So guys, from what they are, Jason up him hat collection. So Mr. Sam love hat, so I get him a polo hat. Listen to me. When me buy pay, I beg me buy a polo because I cannot do it.
Spend money for your man.
So I get him a polo shorts and polo hat for match. I love to Jason in them shorts. They like them fit him. Hold it up, make them see properly and the length.
Fully polo down. Thank you so much.
So you like them?
Oh, you mean,
So when you go out, I want you wear that with a nice shirt.
people buy socks too. Spend money for your man. Thank you. Oh wait, come here on the home and you get this. I'm right here a nice suit.
No, you said three cute shorts. So I get the hat and the shorts instead of 3 shorts. I should have really get 3 because of that him said, but boy babe, could reach it at all.
Alright then.
But me love seeing in them shorts there, so that's why.
Alright, like how you said that.
Guys, me go put when me get the shorts there from men, go over there, go shop, them things look really good.
Alright.
What should I open next?
Like how you said. And I want to give you this a down.
Yeah.
Hold on. No? Like how. Alright, what did you say you want? The third thing in your pixie was phone case to phone case. No, I've seen you change a million phone case. I say, I'm not buying that for you. I'm not buy the phone case. This is how I'm buy. Because you want to get you something bigger than
Oh,
just
so
a
you get
phone.
me this in
Instead of a phone, you want something to get you bigger than just a phone case. I'm going to go buy 2 phone case quick.
What?
Hold that.
Okay. Watch your beer cup. What is this? Chi? I can see how it is. This better than the phone case. Wait. Whoa!
And all this way now, you can take off them and hold it like so. Because I get you one little purse, you know. One little purse, I get you, I said, no, more something when you go, you can carry your phones
I
in.
love it. Thank you so much. This is so cute. Really nice.
Yeah, man.
Oh, the bag we're for keeping her. Wow. Nice. I love it. Guys, me gonna live in this now.
Yeah, no.
Me I gonna live in it.
So, Lana, 2 gift me have left.
How much gift me? 1, 2, 3. Babe, oh, you only buy 3 if you cheat me out.
Maybe.
Don't do that, man. Me I gonna live in this. It's really cute. And me don't know me love like shade of brown and them stuff there.
Yeah.
But it fit me. It's nice. Put it back into the bag.
Since you like your bag, we can get my gift now.
Yes. So this is one of the soft one when we choose off of your list. So you can just go ahead and open it.
Soft one.
Yeah, it was
Alright.
just a normal one.
But me right now,
Yeah.
I'll be a big gift right now.
You will see it.
I do. You know me good. I know people are coming more for Christmas and say nothing there.
You always say nothing there. When you ever say you want something.
Yo, you know, I'm a tear your bag so. Because I love when watch the show and then go so.
Hey, guys, you remember them box the how it did stretch me out? One alone, we could have wear 2 box cover, me put on one another.
I wonder what one. Baby, they right book, you know.
I wanted to start one of them if you want.
Yo, babe, thanks.
So it's a belt.
Thanks, babe. But you want my extra belt? Because the one of my have,
Look
brown.
in there, because I did that alone, me just put one little, you know, extra thingy on it.
Levi's, babe.
Yeah.
One normal belt. Mate.
Me love the material, and also, me not like black belt like Louis Vuitton. Me not like when you go to church and your belt have on like writing
Oh, like
on
when you
it.
have.
Yeah, like what Jason have right now.
Some fuses do.
It's a shoes brush. Me tell you something, I love a shoes brush for you have.
For my class, them.
Yeah, so that look better. Show them.
Yes.
That look nice, don't Mr. White?
Yes.
That looks so good.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Thank you so much, babe. Alright,
Yeah,
so
so you
your
can wear
last gift is not completely here. But let me tell you your actual. What if your gift said 15,000?
I wanted 30.
Yeah, I wanted to. I didn't pick both of them.
Which one you choose?
The one that said 50. But, because the amount of things over there, buy and the extra stuff them last night, they have to go in there because I have no more cash on me. No money for now, so I have 10.
So, we don't mind keep it till I have all. I don't like to take piece of money from you, Jason.
Okay.
Oh, me lucky so. I said, God, please make him choose.
Because the amount of money you spend for the gift, them, it's like say, see what great. But alright, so my last one.
Yes. So, give me explain that gift here. No. Hide it. So this gift, for your pixie, you're right, so you want a Tom Ford.
Cologne.
Yes.
So Cologne buy them.
Yes. When I went there, them never have no Tom Ford. So
which one is
I got something else. I hope you love it. Woo.
Yes.
Yo, you get all the bag with it?
Yep.
A Dior, babe.
Yeah.
Hold on, pull this. So yo, you get the actual
Baby,
bag
can I
with
get
it?
that bag then?
No,
Oh, wait, no, not that bag. The
Oh,
gift
this?
bag.
Oh, yeah. Can't take my bag, baby. You give me a bag.
Move it out of the way.
Can't take my bag, boom. You see me? Yeah, man, I like a handbag as a little man.
So that's the perfume.
Sauvage, Dior. I have to test it, you know, babe.
Yeah, that's it.
Yo. Babe. That's why you must have to write 15,000 for your paper, because you didn't know there's some big gift maker right
There's
now.
some men's stuff are expensive.
Yeah.
Guys, every man's
I
store.
told man
me
stuff
going
expensive.
on- Hello, every man's store me going on. Shots. Woo.
Who kid?
Yes, that's lovely.
It's a oh, you do this now?
That's lovely. Yeah.
Well, I'm spray it on and test it now.
What's in a love
Don't
it?
touch. Don't come out.
Yeah, man. yeah.
What's in a love it spraying so much?
Yo, this smell good.
Smell me, smell you.
Go smell me.
No, 2 million years, me see like.
Oh, you see? Oh, hold on.
I see
Oh.
it's really, really, you know. Heavy.
Yo!
Really heavy. Strong. Yeah. That
Thank
is,
you.
You're welcome.
Full, fresh like water, mate. No, look on all the stand where you go on.
Yes.
Kuyana, man.
Yes.
Well, I'm wanting focus and see it. It's like a little fly or something. A little insect something.
So,
It bad though.
that's it for the gifts.
Yo,
No
babe,
more
thank you so much.
All of the gifts. Oh, so you owe me 15,000.
Yeah. So I'm going to gift them. Put me gift them one place, you know.
I'm happy. All I need to do is just throw over the earth. You're going to put back a vacuum.
Burns are good.
Smells so good.
Can you know? I know, you know, say enough perfume I always get. And here in Japan, other people give me, but guess what? I never normally can use them.
Yeah,
because they're too strong.
Too strong, yes.
So,
Yeah,
yeah.
because I'm a bad sign. No?
Yes, I have more something mild.
Pass the bag, let me put them here in there. The black bag there.
The deer bag look like a businessman, man.
Yeah.
Like, no, look like a big man.
Yeah.
I love it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that one very nice bag.
Yeah, I love it blue.
Yeah.
I try up, man. I smell them. I never.
Yo, it smells so good.
So then,
It not irritate me.
sample.
Cook perfume is
Yeah, and it not irritate me at that.
come like me have on some pan.
Right now.
Right now. Yeah.
No, man,
Nice, we true.
I know perfume I have to put on because I can't handle the smell.
Ooh, so
Yo, the bag look.
No, yes, certainly.
Love it.
Really
I gotta put up them gift bag here because I can't.
bag of
Where is
really
it?
material.
Oh, them have to come over here, vlog.
Even them there, you know, Jason, can't hold it night. The camera.
Yeah, my camera can hold it
Can't
night.
hold it,
The
yes.
phone can hold it night.
Yeah.
One more back to the collection, man.
Alright, so put them here in our garbage. So that's it for gifts. And yeah.
The good one, man.
Smells so good. Alright guys, so me go back into the kitchen right now, go finish up with my goat. But babe, thank you so much. Really appreciate all the gifts.
One more thing before you go.
I know Messi though, you have to finish up in the kitchen.
Messi?
Yeah. Now 2 million say I might go.
That bad.
One.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'm a lover and appreciate you. Even if I never give me no gifts, you know, say once we get the Christmas tree, that's how I did I look forward from, because I never have one Christmas tree before. Jason said I never have a Christmas tree
We did have the
before.
Christmas pepper light them.
Okay, so you know, me did just want the feeling for open gifts on Christmas Day and stuff like that. So
One more thing.
thank you so much. I feel like I want to cry, but I'm not gonna cry. But just know, say, I really appreciate this. And Christmas is not even about the gifts alone. It's spending time with your family and stuff like that. And just show them, say, I love them and help them in any way where you can. I know everything we have to go through on camera, but just know, say, whatever, we try to put a smile on everybody's face.
Yeah.
So these are just our pixie, but other stuff wasn't recorded.
Yeah.
Well,
some of what me
some
do record.
of what Jason recorded, but just know, say, not everything recorded, because I know everybody love to be on camera. And as me say, no matter how small the gift is, just give somebody for just put a smile on them face. So anything you want to say?
2 things, but you let me forget them, babe. Hold on, man.
Sorry.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. You have to wait, but hold on.
You hold the camera.
No, but hold on. Alright, one extra thing. 2 things about one extra thing. Oh, me a kiss you now, kiss you, but should daddy help you? When you are married, daddy have to go sit down in the stand.
No,
And daddy want to see me give him a big kiss. That's a one.
Yes.
Next thing now,
And not only
Fred.
kiss, just eternity. Love
just
life.
lay lag life.
You hear that? Long life.
Next thing now.
Not about the kiss. You're afraid. My hand tired, you know. Baby, pull up my bun, man.
No, next thing. Okay, one last thing. So, dinner ready yet?
Baby, that's really when me turn up your sofa.
But, yo, enough love and respect to the people. Them, yo, this is that. one of my favorite things at the house right now. Out of everything.
Yep, I love it. I mean, if I hang it properly.
That is I love it, but some people don't know. Go feed people know.
Yeah, so go on for mommy and Lovell them. And me go finish up in the kitchen. So me and Mr. White are going to stay back. Yeah.
And the love when I show up, man, you know what I mean?
Aww.
That's really what powerful more than anything.
No problem. Alright, so we're back in the kitchen. I'm go finish up now.
Okay, so.
You want some sorry? Or you going and come?
I'm going to come.
Alright. Nobody speed.
Yeah, speed, man.
Alright guys, so we just cut up the season them of going at the goat. This morning I woke up very early. Just a prep stuff. Me not even pick up my camera. Luckily, Jason come pick on up there. Oh, may I upload to right now. Vlogmas day 25. And that's the house tour. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout Vlogmas and cheer me on, you know. And all when me post the video them late, because you don't know on a normal day, like you don't know a normal vlog me would post it so late, but Vlogmas me did have to give on late because you don't know me have to find the content and then me have to edit the content. So you know, so by the time if you done everything just late, and me just did want to, you know, share how Christmas go. We don't know. Alright, so the chicken is fried. Me just start fried because mommy not reach it. Jason gone to them. Rice over here, so. And the last set of goat to cook. I don't know, I'm not tasting no Christmas cake for Christmas stuff because mommy for bake. Hello, my baby. Thank you, mom. Thank you. Get a gift. You want me?
No, I'm telling you, we do it like we see on the show.
Jason, no.
I said the boys go.
Determined fragile. Look at the box so ugly.
He said, move the hand front quick.
No, it's okay. Because I never have no box either. I'm the breakfast.
Thanks, mommy. Thanks,
I'm the breakfast. The girl that come. I couldn't make it. Well, I'm good to them. I couldn't make it. But we have no wine. We don't have no wine glass. We get a wine and we get wine glass.
My grandson tonight after I drink wine. Yeah.
Don't say that to me, mom.
Whoa!
Kids are alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, and I think mommy said to you.
Mommy, so we're going to taste the cake now. Then this one can come on.
Yeah. Always, you know.
Time to taste the cake.
And they know when I'm trying to see me know and say, oh, you are.
That mama made.
Your son
Nice.
and granddaughter. They say, yes, man, nice. Yes, yeah.
What is
She's
this?
a very nice lady. Close, man.
Mr. White, you want some cake?
Yes, man.
No Christmas cake. Imagine me with a Christmas day. Mommy, go to Canada. So take them out now. I'm going to cut piece of cake for Mr. White. Alright, kids?
Yeah.
Oh, there. Oh, come there. But they save them so when you come, you can have candies. So who want to taste the first one? Wait. Diana and Pookie taste the first one. Come right here.
When you go to school, yeah.
Them kind of sweet but not too sweet. Ready? Taste it. So this is the first set of chicken and me fry them 1 year. And look how me I tell myself say, me can't really fry chicken good, but these are beautiful. Yeah, and the goat finish. So mommy I finish up with chicken. Thank God. Because too long you take me and say, me have to start fry them.
How come you so busy?
Yeah, me know. Anyways, everything coming together. Let me show you the rice. Mommy, look how your daughter cook rice nice. Shelly and nice. I go outside for sure, no. The table, we don't put on nothing on it yet because we don't want the breeze blow it away. But yeah. And Mr. White wipe off the chair them. Look who reach. And I full our belly. And see Jody here, I eat cake. Look here. One cake done already, I can call it so. I make a syrup, you know? Make a syrup so you can get people carry up. Lucy and Jason and everybody out the door. None of get to see them yet because we inside I try to finish up for dinner and stuff. But right now, what time? At dinner time now. Now, what time we would normally eat dinner? So, this is what Christmas are going with. So, soon come back. So, everything is ready and it's time to share. So, I'm going to show you what's up in the kitchen. Alright, so this is some cucumber. Wait, we need more light, man. Wait. Good. Alright. So, cucumber, lettuce, potato salad. Ooh! Some raw veg and fried chicken. Let's get to sharing. On the plate look festive though. Lucy, alright?
No, when you have to commercial, let me finish somebody more the pound.
Mr. White?
One of the purpose,
Spicy? Me give them a less spicy one.
Yes, so that me trying to tell you.
It's more spicy.
No, yeah, because you love the next one, that's why. So we're going to share some cereal now, alright?
Yay.
Aww. Alright guys, so now my time for eat. I have to ensure that everybody good, everybody eat and everybody is satisfied. But now I tell you that mommy food tastes really good. Guys, enough food me cooking up. And me used to tell myself that I can't cook enough food. You see from me see rice shelly, me I say alright, me get it. Me find it. Everybody plate pretty. And look at my plate. Everything all over. Yes.
Food tastes extremely good.
Thank you. Yes, Evan?
Mashed potato.
When me tell you, so the mashed potato are my favorite.
I like it, mashed potato, but it looks like sweet.
Where is that? Come here. What Evan say?
They like it, mashed potato, but it looks like sweet, but I like it carrot in there.
Oh, she like the carrot in there, but you don't love the sweet corn? Or you say it look like sweetie? Where is it?
It looks like sweet, but another one.
What it look like?
It looks like sweet, but we don't know how it tastes.
Oh, it look like sweets.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sweets.
Yeah.
But you don't know how it tastes?
Maybe the big kids and nobody want more.
You don't want any more?
So that just look like sweet bowl.
How dare you say that?
How you? No, sir. No, man.
Mommy. What we need to do now, we need to share the food and we are going.
Put them down.
5. You finish? No, just put it back on the table. Mega come because mommy you can get puppy food. Put it back on the table. Me come straight up. Mr. White I want puppy too. So he go want puppy food. And me put down a cabbage and a peel in them for goat.
Everybody I get Christmas dinner. Puppy, goat.
Yep.
Everybody. Oh God, I wish everybody had Christmas dinner.
Me too. What's wrong with the little baby? What do
She
you?
just want to say, I see myself and stop it, so what do I know?
What do you know? What do you? What on the face look so? Who want ice cream? You're not just sad. You're not just sad. You're not just sad. You're not just sad. Adriana, them here are all of the food them we are going. So, yeah. Hey. So me put on her pajama and give her a little photo shoot. Guys, Adriana no post not even one of them, but me think me get about 3 nice picture out of it. Watch her. Gone now, no man. Anyways, so mommy I clean up back the kitchen. I'm just there walk and I put things in place. Everything is still in place because everybody spend most time outside. And all the inside are just in the living area them there. So yeah, today was a very productive day, a wonderful day. Spell fat.
Okay,
Spell her. Spell fat.
F-A-T.
Spell her.
H-E-R.
Put them together.
Fatter.
Put it together. Put it together, no, mommy. Mommy, put it together. What you get?
But with the fat R. We just spell fat R.
That's father.
Boy, you give them sweetie. Me say no more candy.
F-A-T. H-E-R.
No, alright, though, me are going back. Bye, guys. On the belly full?
No.
Okay, only don't want a piece of cake? No, I don't have any ice cream. I only have cake. Me as she ready for her cuddles. Mommy, do it come. I don't want to come lay down in here. Me and you stay with mommy down. Okay, bye. Everybody I leave. Everything is all clean and back in place. Everybody gone home, guys. I am so tired. But yeah, Christmas tree plug in. I gotta light the candle and just have a good night before we fall asleep. So then I watch movie. I'ma just wash my crocs. I wash all of the slippers that we wear outside today to pack them back in. And tomorrow I need to wash the mat here because you know the outside, the going in, the coming out, the mat end up dirty. But yeah. So I know probably I say, Andra, how your love works? But listen, my love when everything is in place. So that's how I do right now before I go to my bed. I go to bed, light my candle in my room and just sleep. Forget to me, I have to go wake up early tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, I have to wake up by about 6:30 or 7 o'clock. But we manage. So the last thing for do, I just go throw out the garbage out of the drum. This is the last set of garbage out of the house. Today was fun. You know, this is what I love, the togetherness. Everybody just a chat and a laugh and I enjoy themselves. The food came out good, the sorrel tastes good, the cake tastes good, everything just work out good. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Lord. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas again. I love you guys so much. Why am I gonna tell you how much I love and how much I appreciate you now? But big up on yourself, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and a prosperous new year when it comes. Bye, guys.